Hello and welcome back to Timmy's 10 again for an unboxing of a 1996 Hot Wheels. Today we have from the Street Eater series this proper chopper helicopter with rotating blades. This is number 3 of 4 in the Street Eater series. Pretty cool teeth on this helicopter. Nothing wrong with this card whatsoever. It is in mint condition, but I want to get it out of the package anyway. There's your collector tip off this card. And here's some of the other cars that you can get. That's actually the whole Street Eater series. Consumer information, collector poster. Let's get this helicopter out of the package and see how cool it is. I've got quite a few helicopters now. My number 1 video is a helicopter. The proper chopper is this one. And let me see, what's the other one called? Island Hopper is the other one. These come like that, and then you pull them apart like... Whoa! What the... They want to break. Okay, well I know that part pulls out. Does everybody else have problems like this where everything just wants to break when they open them? There we go. Man, I swear it's really harder for me than anybody else. Very cool though. What is that? A trailer hitch? You can hang something off there and carry it. It doesn't spin with the flick like a game spinner. You'd have to go like that. And your metal, this is plastic, this is plastic. This blue right here is metal to here. And plastic bottom, made in China. There we go. Pretty cool. We got some sound effects in the background right now. Somebody's mowing their lawn. Oh, that don't go. It stands on its own. Looks beautiful there. Does nothing on the track, but that's okay. And does not fly on its own either. It's got a cool inside. Let's get a good look at the inside. Hopefully you can see in there. Plenty of seats. Thanks so much for tuning in and checking it out. Please subscribe to Timmy's 10 again. So there's still shot. No, it just got blurry again. Sometimes I can see it in the camera. I just don't understand what makes it blur out all of a sudden, decides to focus in the back. Thank you everybody that watched. T10 out.